Hello guys, welcome to a new studio vlog, or I should say welcome to a new moving vlog again. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the last time that you see this space, the famous external studio. And today we are gonna pack. There's not much left, luckily, because I have been already moving most of my stuff, most of my tools and equipment, basically by Uber over the last 2 months. But of course I still have my furniture, my desks, this big chair, the thing over there. There are a few things to move out, but before booking I wanted to see exactly how much stuff I had, how many boxes, and then I'm gonna book the booking for the next few days. One of the good things about the fact that I never finished to set up my studio is that I kept all the boxes that I used during the previous moving. Yeah, this is a box with some bits and bobs. This is a box with a raccoon inside, hello, and there are all my chairs books, I mean all the books I have been buying, and I never unpacked this box, so it's ready to go. Yeah, there's some stuff I had to throw away. This kind of shelf unit wasn't great. I mean, I was using it, yeah, to hold my prints. It was handy for that, but yeah, as you can see, this was taking a lot of space, but I wasn't using it much. Over the last weekend anyway, I was selling at the London Illustration Fair. That was a great event. Really enjoyed it. It was very good. That was my second best show after London MCM. This weekend instead I have two events. I have another illustration fair called the Illustrators Fair in King's Cross here in London, and the day after instead I have a Crafty Fox market. Well, I simply have to restock my prints because I am very low on some designs. Yeah, apart from that, then I have just to see what I want to bring. Yeah, the good thing about doing many markets all in a row is that basically you never unpack, you just double check, but yeah, you simply get used to it and you get into the flow. But yeah, I can't deny that everything takes a lot of time, it requires a lot of preparation. But yeah, I enjoy doing it. Okay, I stopped talking, now I'm gonna start doing something here. I don't know where to start. I think we are gonna start from throwing away rubbish. I was hungry. I was thinking that maybe I'm gonna leave that shelf unit here because I don't have space for that at home. So basically my new studio room, it has a weird shape. I mean, it's quite similar to this one, maybe just a bit shorter, but I'm gonna have a wardrobe. That's gonna be very handy to hold my t-shirts, and since there's that wardrobe, it means that I have space for that. And also there's a door in my studio because there's a in-suite bathroom with a toilet, something that I didn't need, to be honest. And so because of that door, it means that I have less space where I can put stuff on. And yeah, so absolutely that thing is not gonna fit in my studio. Even if I keep just half of it, I don't think I'm gonna use it. As I said before, I'm not actually using it, so I think I'm gonna leave it here. this place is like abandoned. I think nobody will care. Maybe somebody can use it. I don't know. I didn't have much stuff, but it feels like it never ends. Now guys, I don't have much left to do, but I'm so bored. Yeah, we can do it. And one is done. There's a baby crying. Okay. Hello guys. Welcome to my new flat. I'm not gonna show you much around because so we moved in a few days ago and the flat is still a mess. Yesterday I finally did the moving from the external studio. Oh sorry, I didn't carry the camera with me because I was recharging the battery, but yeah, I hired a man with a van who helped me to move out. Yeah, everything now is in my room and I'm gonna show you. This is the corridor with all my stuff around, the chair, and oh, this is gonna be my new studio. Yeah, so now I have to deal with this, have to rebuild the desks. As you can see, there's a big wardrobe, the one I was mentioning, where I already put some of my t-shirts. Yeah, those are new sweatshirts that I will screen print one day. The funny thing is that in this room, yeah, there's an in-suite bathroom that I'm using as a storage. But I really love those shelves. They're gonna be very handy. But yeah, basically that is gonna be my kind of storage where I keep all these things that I don't use normally. As you can see, the outside is pretty frosted. Yeah, it's cold outside, so we stay here. Yeah, now we are gonna start with this stuff. Oh my goodness. And also tomorrow I have a market, so I have the illustrators market, the illustrators fair in Granary Square in King's Cross, and on Sunday then I have another market by Crafty Fox in the same place, and have to restock a few art prints because I'm out of capybara prints. I always sell a lot of capybaras prints. It's my best seller. So yeah, I will need also to print a few things. Yeah, I think I have to move out now some of these boxes because I'm not able to move otherwise. And then I'm gonna build the desks. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay, I don't think that you want to watch me mounting all the legs. You already see me doing that. So I'm gonna put the big desk here because it's the longest and have a lot of space here. So I have this nice corner, and the other desk is gonna be on the other side where I keep the heat press and the print station. I will need to solve the problem of the print station, the carousel, but that's something that I'll sort out next year. Yeah, because today is the 9th of December. I'm gonna go back to Italy on the 14th. I'm gonna stay there for 2 weeks, so then the month is gonna be over. But yeah, I try to decorate. I want to tidy up this space before I leave, so when I'm back in January, everything's gonna be kind of ready. And yeah, as I told you before, I'd like to make this place a bit nicer and cozy than my previous studio. And finally, I have white walls. I mean, normal walls, not the ugly ones that I had in my external studio. Anyway, yeah, I'm aware that I look pretty dark because we're against the light, whatever. There's a spider. Come here. No. Come on. Good boy. So the current problem is that if I keep the desk there, then I can pass, can go to the other room, but the passage is a bit blocked. So I'm gonna push this down and put that over there. Let's see if it fits. If I'm gonna if I'm gonna be too close to the door. Let's see. This is definitely too close to the door. I don't know what to do. Oh man, this desk is so long. Okay, I decided to leave the desk like this for the moment. I mean, I can open the window, the door, so it works. As you can see, I put everything under the desks and on top, so I have all this empty space. You can tell how heavy this print press is. Yeah, he left the mark on the carpet. Anyway, I bought a rug. I'm gonna put it here because this will be the area where I'm gonna screen print. Yeah, as you can see, there's a brand new carpet here, and that makes me very nervous. I don't want to stain it, so I'm gonna put a big carpet, a big rug I bought, which is right here. Is this gonna match with the carpet? No, but this was just £10, I believe, from IKEA. The last desk. This is looking a bit crowded. I mean, I fit here, but I have problems with this desk. I'm not able to use this press like this. I think I will need to buy squared card that I can move around, and then maybe, yeah, this press is gonna go on this large desk here. Also here, yeah, I can access this wardrobe, but as you can see, the space is a bit limited. But yeah, I've done most of the job, which is great. I'm gonna leave now this stuff here, I think it's better if now I get ready for the market of tomorrow, so I print the stuff. But yeah, before I leave the 14th, I have anyway a couple of days where I can tidy up everything, stuff like that. See you later. I don't know what I'm... Oh yeah, we had to add a chair. Oh man, does it fit here now? Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. I have to lift it. Okay, so I can do this. That's better. Okay.